Hey, yo, yeah, I'm gonna shoot a video real quick. You know what I'm saying? I gotta shoot a video to the homie. Oh, I'm already on. What's up, y'all? It's CaliBoy251. This morning been very, very interesting. You know, I was on Facebook with the friends, the homies out there. You know, just having a good time. You know, I ain't trying to say no names, I ain't trying to get sued. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I like to say thanks, man, for watching the videos, liking them, laughing at them. I don't know, loving them, whatever you're doing to them, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I always gotta say some thank yous out there because people don't normally give thank you. You know, look at my hat turned around real quick, you know, the Bulls, you know, they're doing their thing. Me, I'm a real Laker fan, but you know, I like the Bulls fitted hats and all that stuff, you know, we do it. But I always gotta say thank you to people who are watching the videos, who's laughing about it, who's like, damn, this boy's stupid, You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Oh, here on Voxer still, you know what I'm saying? If y'all know what Voxing is, it's the thing where you go Voxy, Kobe, Herbie, blink out, blink out, blink out, blink out. But y'all don't know what that is. Voxing, like a walkie-talkie type thing, you know. Watch, I'm gonna watch the homie real quick because we was watching earlier, and he just be acting stupid on here. I don't know why. Let me see if I can hear him. This is Voxing. I'm Voxing the homie. You can take a couple. See? Yeah, he just be acting stupid because that's the homie Antacular, if y'all know him. You know what I'm saying? He been on good Call of Duty. Alright, what's up, boy? What you doing right now? You know, that's all we doing, Voxing. You know what I'm saying? Be on Twitter. My Twitter thing is CaliBoy2511. Again, CaliBoy2511. You know, I'm gonna try to put in the description below or somewhere because, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah. But besides that, I just love talking to the world, seeing what y'all doing out there. You know, give me some feedback, players. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all like watching the videos and all that. I want some feedback. I know I get a little feedback. Don't get me wrong. I do get feedback. Don't get me wrong. I do get it, but you know, I can get thousands. I want thousands of them. Thousands of them. Thousands of them. They all want to follow. You know what I'm saying? But I could do parties, you know, everything. Like, oh, St. Patrick's Day. Crazy weekend. Crazy. I was up there going stupid, doo-doo down. You know what I'm saying? Just going wilding out. But since he ain't boxing back, he's a little buster, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm put on some music. This is for the homies. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know how we do it. But I'm just here chilling. I ain't doing nothing. I just be on the phone. Someone want to talk about. I don't care, cause that's all I be doing. But that's what I'm doing. But CaliBoy251. I'm always on here showing love, saying shout outs, whatever y'all want to do. But hit me back if you can. You know what I'm saying? So we can talk about things, see what's up. Alright, CaliBoy251 out of here. CaliBoy on Facebook and Twitter. Peace. Till next.